good? Big KJ. You like Big KJ? He says, hell yeah, bro. Just me and The Rock hanging out here in Hollywood. You gotta love it. All right, man. Fist bump. Boom. Awesome. What's going on, guys? Big KJ coming to you from Hollywood. It is cold as hell here right now. It is like in the 50s or 40s or something like that. Walking around Hollywood, seeing what we can get ourselves into. Big KJ's taking it to Hollywood. You know we're doing it big time here in Sexy Secret Vacations. Let's go. Open 24 hours, Mel's. I don't know, I guess not. It's classic Hollywood, baby. And your boy, Big KJ, Hollywood edition. What? Taking the show to Hollywood. Mel's Drive-In, American Classic. Celebrating 75 years. Come join us. Pretty cool place. Place is awesome. Look at the old guitar here. Boom. It's pretty cool. We're about to go in and check out Mel's Drive-In. Open 24 hours here in Hollywood. It's called a drive-in. It's like more like a diner, I guess, but maybe that's what they call diners here, drive-ins. I don't know. We're about to find out. It's very exciting stuff. Waiting for Mark. He's on his way. We just checked into our Airbnb here in Hollywood, and you know, about to get in some trouble. Here he comes. There he is. There he goes. There we go. Much better.
Depending on where you guys live, I'm in Brentwood,
Thank you.
I don't want to make you have to do that driving. I don't want to. So Mercury, I know is right.
There's bars and there's bars.
I know my English. Everything else is extra.
Yes. Nice. Wow, this place is pretty cool, man. I don't know, Mark. You thinking about right here? It's cool. Oh. Mel's Drive-In. They got the old school. Man, that stuff is strong. I can smell it from over here. They got the old school. Looks like they're non-operational though. All right, so I made it to the Hollywood Star Walk of Fame here, and I'm gonna take a little walk around here. Gonna walk down to the Chinese Theater, check it out. First time in Hollywood, Big KJ, Sexy Secret Vacations. Let's go, baby, let's go. Christina Applegate, Daniel Craig, Roger Moore, James Bond. I don't know who Chuck Jones is. Oh, here we go. Kevin Hart.
That's it.
Ooh. Sophia Vergara. Oh man, we got. Oh man, they're doing a huge event here. It looks like. I got stuff set up in front of the theater. You can kind of see it back there. Looks like it's Daisy Jones and the Six for Amazon Prime. You got a little bit of a cool view right over here. Over there. No, I don't know, man.
So excited to share with you. My figure. Tell me my figure. My new figure. My brand new wax figure. Come to see my badass new figure. My fabulous figure at Madame Tussaud.
Here is Madame Tussauds Hollywood edition. If you want to get your wax on, you know. You got the Incredible Hulk right here. Kobe Bryant. That's awesome. Oh, I've been looking for a new girl, and I thought, why not, go for something a little more blonde this time. So, I don't know. I think we look like a pretty good couple. Marilyn, can you, sing something for us? I'm pretty sure it's Marilyn Monroe. If I'm wrong, then you guys should tell me. I think she's looking pretty good, though. What do you think? Very cute. They have the Rock right there. That's hilarious. Definitely get a picture with that. Just me, in Hollywood, hanging out with the Rock. So, Rock, buddy, how you doing? Doing good? Good. Right now, I'm in at $5. Everything is $5, except for the hoodies. They're $10.
Report it all, man. Let them know where we're at. Hollywood Boulevard.
You got it.
6933. Come check us out. Everything's $5. We have a sale going on. What's up? How you doing, sir?
Hollywood Boulevard. There you have it. You gotta love this. You don't have to even win a Grammy. You can just buy a Grammy. I guess I could take this one right here because it says best teacher. And I'm teaching you guys how to be awesome. Hollywood, baby. I love LA. Hollywood sign. There you go. This is the greatest moment of your life. I don't know about that one, but yeah, close enough. That was pretty cool. See that right back there? If I stand right here, then you can see it right back there. Hollywood, baby. Boom. Says La La Land. La La Land. Take a picture inside the car. You can't take any video though. Very cool. Drive me. Maybe. You can drive 6 miles for $109. No deposit. Does the hot girl come with the car? Yeah. That was funny. So I'm walking through this mall area that I think I parked in, I believe it or not, and I happen to glance up right behind this catwalk here, and lo and behold, there's the Hollywood sign. Great opportunity to take a picture right here. Look at that. Hollywood, baby. It says right here, we are all stars. Yep. So I'm right here in Hollywood Boulevard, still walking around. I figured, you know, don't get too crazy. Maybe hit up the Johnny Rockets. You never been to Johnny Rockets before? It's kind of like an old 50s style diner. It's pretty cool. Yeah. I needed to get out of the cold weather. It was so cold outside. My hands are freezing. It's so cold. So decided to come in here, hit up Johnny Rockets, and just get out of the cold for a little while. Get something to eat. Let's go. Here's the Bay KJ ride right here. California.